So yeah, Malaysia after 10 years. I couldn't remember what was the situation during that time, but I could surely recall some alleyways of the airport. It's amazing, and thank you so much once again for picking me up. So heading towards the hotel for some rest, and directly I have an event to attend today, so see you there. So arrived here at Bukit Bintang. Now going to check in, have a breakfast. It's a massive view here, guys. They have provided me a room on the 9th floor, and as you can see the view from the 9th floor, it's amazing. City view, the busy traffic's flowing here and there, and also one of the good super mall over here, Lala Port. So really good view to see. So let's dive into the breakfast part because I'm really hungry. I'm gonna take time to be freshened up because the washroom is also amazing here. Yeah. So a very good property. And you can see the metros running below me. So I could remember very few minute details like the alleyways of the airport, the places like the immigration, and the roads, few roads that we passed through. This is how the breakfast looks like over here. It's kind of like a standard breakfast set that you can see, and it's crowded as I'm here in the peak time. So everybody is here enjoying their breakfast, so let's have it. Oh guys, I was totally mesmerized by this view and I still can't get over it. So talking about the schedule today, one of the drivers, so he's coming to pick me up, and we are visiting 4 to 5 points today in Malaysia. This video is especially for you guys, those who have not visited Malaysia yet and are planning to visit. So yeah, this place I'm staying here is called Hotel Metro once again, because as I am totally bragging about the window view here. So before starting this video, I would like you to please share this video to those who are planning to go to Malaysia, and also hit that like button with Mr. Shankar. So we are heading to KL Tower at first, so I thought I would give this as a surprise for you.
Yesterday I thought.
Yeah, I think we came here, but because of the maintenance we couldn't go inside. No problem, we will go in another destination. Our next destination is Chinatown, Kwai Chai Hong. So in the middle of the city, although the KL Tower was an attraction, but we would miss it today, and it's gonna go on maintenance for 2 weeks because I think you went there yesterday, right? So the Mr. Driver, he went there yesterday. It was open, but today unfortunately I don't know if they knew I was coming or not. Guys, I'm here at the Petaling Street, which is full of colorful, vibrant and amazing place. And this place actually was a very old Chinese settlement, which was later on turned into this amazing place. exploring the Chinatown. We are now proceeding towards the National Mosque, which is also another amazing attraction here in Malaysia. This is Masjid Negara. So this is the National Mosque of Malaysia. Which is also known as Masjid Negara. And surprising fact about this place is like this place can hold about 15,000 worshippers at one time, or even, you know, if they arrange it well, they can even hold much more people. It was so big, like it really can hold 15,000 people, man. It's a really big area. So guys, finally the iconic Batu Caves. Although it's raining, oh my god, the thunderstorm. Did you see, guys? Although it's raining, but it's really amazing to visit this place. It's a really steep climb up to the cave, but I'm gonna make it anyway. It looks like I'm just halfway through and 154 stairs done. But I lost the count of stairs. It was around 160. But this is how it looks. So we are cruising through the city right now, and because of the peak hour, we are getting stuck in the traffic jam time and again. Although we are very much close to our destination, but the buildings surrounding us are huge. Oh my god. Wow. Yes! This really feels surreal, guys. Amazing experience. Wow. So guys, this is the last point for today. The Saloma Link Bridge, which is just in front and the opposite side of the Petronas Tower, and we can see amazing view of the Petronas Tower in my background. And we are going this way towards the Saloma Link Bridge. So let's see how the view is over there. Look at this. I've arrived here at Saloma Link Bridge. You know, it really looks like an Afghani touch, Afghani design in my view, but kind of also resembles the fish that we saw today in the zoo. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys loved my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down the best thing you found out from this video. And if you guys are planning to come to Malaysia, don't forget to contact bonholidays. Link is in the description. So without further ado, thank you so much. On a Nepodal sign.